Hello, my fellow galaxy explorers. This year, our annual May the 4th Be With You celebration is boldly going where no fan has gone before. That's right, we're combining the force of Star Wars with the wisdom of Star Trek in a spectacular crossover event. May the 4th Be With You meets Live Long and Prosper. And here's where you come into the saga. We're looking for creative minds across the universe. Whether you're a Jedi Master or a Starfleet Captain, or just a creator with a passion for all things space and sci-fi. Join us in a collaboration that celebrates these iconic phases and the incredible worlds they represent. So sign up today and you'll be randomly assigned to create something inspired by one of these legendary phases, whether it's through art, a festival, a ride, or a convention. There's Star Wars and Star Trek fans around the world. You could find Star Wars foods in a restaurant or make your own at home. Live long and prosper. That could be healthy food. The gaming world too. What about collectibles? How about dressing up? Or you could share some of your music. There's so many ways. How about a book review? These are just a few. So are you ready to join our interstellar collaboration? Beam up your creativity and let's create a universe of unity and adventure. Email me by March 8th, 2025. That's this Saturday. Look down in my description below. You'll find my email or comment down in my comment section below. Just sign up today. You only have a few days left. May the 4th be with you and live long and prosper. Till next time. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light. Live long and prosper, and may the 4th be with you. See you soon.